JetAVIVA is pleased to present this 1996 Piper JetProp serial number 4636071. If you're looking to upgrade your current aircraft to an economical turboprop option, this is the one for you. This aircraft features enhanced situational awareness with Dual G500s, Dual GTN 750s, as well as the desirable GFC600 Autopilot. Whether you're looking to expand your reach for work or play, consider this JetProp. Please visit the JetAVIVA website link in the video description for complete details on JetProp serial number 4636071. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and welcome aboard.